Hello dear followers and all of you who like Ford, especially Ford Anglia. Next couple of minutes I'm going to talk about pure nonsense not related with the car. For example, on French they would say mon Dieu, or in Italian they would say mio Dio, or on Bosnian šta je ovo ba. What I want to say, car is painted, look at this, and the line is on the car. And this line is sharp, so sharp that Mr. Rocketman Kim Jong-un will be so jealous on this sharp line. It looks like a rocket. Those cars, they are made as a cheap copy of big American cars with the tail fins, because in that times, in the 60s, it was popular space program, Apollo, Mercury, in the time where the Earth was still round. What I want to say, this nonsense are my nonsense, but this is not a nonsense. This is a piece of art. Božo is polishing the car. Roof is done, polished already, this beautiful white. And after that, bonnet and the front face. I will wait for our camera to come here so it can record. You see, and I want to show you something. So the base color on this car is 2-pack acrylic blue, and after that Božo painted 6 layers of the clear coat, which gives us a lot of material to be polished. Why we do that? Now when we polish the car, which is still not done, it's in the progress, we have enough material to make that deep, deep, deep shine, and the car will look like it's wet all the time. Why? Because it should be like that. Camera, come here, let me show you something. This is, so first layer of paint was acrylic blue, which Božo sanded, flattened up, and then he painted a clear coat. You see these tiny, tiny dots in the material. We want to get rid of them. That means that this car will be perfect paint job and perfect polishing job, which makes her special. When I said that a different nation will say like, oh my God, here in Ireland, if they say, what's the crack? The answer is crack is fucking mighty. And this car will roar around the west coast of Ireland, Western Kerry, city of Dingle. So if you see this car, you will know that it's coming from our workshop, Classic Car Restorer, Anaskal. It's not done, it's not finished. There is pretty much work on it, but I'll be glad to show you this car when it's completely done and polished in full glory of this 64 years old lady. Welcome back.
Ali meni je u glavi uvijek ista slika, isti flash. Oh, hi there. Just a second to put my professional hat on, because then I look more serious. Right, Ford Anglia. I promised you last time that we will show you something, and now we have something to show us. As you know, I'm too big for most of the cars, including this one. But okay, here. So she is this side is polished, fine, bonnet's polished, roof is polished, back quarter panel polished. What? Yes. So we told you that we're going to show you how she's going to look like. She's partially done, and this is a big day. So now you can see how she's going to look like. So white bumpers, white Kim Jong-un line, front bumper. We are still deciding what kind of light covers we're going to put it on. Is it going to be blue or white? I'm preferring white, Bojo preferring blue. Who's going to win? We're going to see it. She's so close to the end. We still have to fit the gearbox and the gear stick. We bit play with the brakes. Most of it will be done soon, and she's going to be ready to roll again. But enjoying the view. She's still not perfect, but we'll give our best. She'll be.